Which stocks are you guys buying right now? At the beginning of the year, I asked you exactly that, and 201 of you commented with your top picks. I took all your favorite stocks, compiled them into a single community portfolio, and tracked them directly against the top picks of 30 popular finance YouTubers. 7 months later, I can't stay quiet anymore. I have to show you the current results. Trust me, you want to see this. It's going to be quite embarrassing for the expert YouTubers. But that's not all. Over the last few weeks, I repeated the study. This time, 175 people commented. And once again, I found 3 meaningful differences between the stocks you guys picked and what YouTubers are recommending in their videos now. Is it just luck? Or you guys actually know something that these finance experts don't? Let's find out! Let's go! This whole project started with this, my second most popular video ever. At the beginning of the year, I aggregated the picks from every famous finance YouTubers to create a list of the 14 most recommended stocks for 2026. At the same time, I asked you guys to vote on your favorite stocks. I collected all the comments and built a competing portfolio of your top 14 choices. As you can imagine, the most popular companies appeared in both lists. Amazon was number 1 on both groups, and stocks like Google, SoFi, Adobe, Meta, NVIDIA, PayPal and Uber were shared by both lists. Those 8 picks cancel each other out in terms of relative performance. The real difference was made by the remaining 6 stocks. The YouTubers went with MercadoLibre minus 10% year to date, Netflix minus 21% year to date, Zeta Global plus 31%. This was a great call by Couch Investors and a few other channels. Next, Vertiv, which was the best pick at 68% returns. It was suggested by Tom Nash and ticker symbol U. But unfortunately, YouTubers also picked Shift4 Payments and Salesforce, which are both down big. Instead, what did you guys voted for? Starting from the bottom, 18 people voted for HIMS, minus 3% year to date. Next was IREN. It is up a bit, 9%, but then 20 people voted for Nebius, incredible, up 125% year to date, and even better, 27 people voted for Micron, up 207%. 32 of you voted for Novo Nordisk, which is down 7%, so I will take the blame for this one since it's part of my portfolio. Probably my core audience voted for Novo. But the single most popular choice was AMD, with 41 votes, is doing great, up 125% year to date. When you look at the total numbers, there is simply no comparison. If we had invested $10,000 equally balanced across the YouTubers' 14 picks, today we would have exactly $9,909 underperforming the market. Instead, if you put $10,000 into the top 14 picks from the comments of my video, today that portfolio would be sitting at $13,122, 31% gain, massively outperforming the S&P 500. Isn't that crazy? What do you think? Is it luck? Is it random? Is there a reason why my subscribers pick better stocks? I've been thinking a lot about an explanation, and one possibility is that YouTubers are really bad at picking stocks, because when you run a channel, you spend a lot of time making videos not researching stocks. Many YouTubers also have softwares to sell, courses to promote, communities to manage, small kids to take care. Personally, I don't have any of that, and it's already hard to find the time to make one video a week and research stocks. My guess is that YouTubers just rely heavily on AI summaries. I appreciate the pushback, but I would never. What can you tell me about the last Duolingo earnings call?
Incredible earnings is the best company to invest.
Another theory is that YouTubers are forced to be experts, to know everything. They have problems admitting their limits. They aren't like me. I have no problem. I can openly admit to be very stupid and a bit of a gambler. They must sound intelligent. For them, a good stock thesis must be a bit complex, hard, smart, revolutionary. What can I tell my audience to sound smart?
Tell them the Duolingo Green Machine improved the core to 84%. Churn will decrease and the Dow will compound, making AI integrations revolutionary.
Thank you. Instead, you guys just leave a comment. You don't give shit. There is no fear, no camera pressure. But if you are actually part of that 1% of people that leave a comment, it's because you really believe it's worth sharing. Thank you very much for that. Finally, I like to think that my audience is just made by the best and smarter investors around. It's contrarian, painful value investing, not some kind of easy money trading strategy. Basically, I naturally filter out all the stupids with my unbearable Italian accent. Mamma mia! It's a me, Adri! Of course, it could also be that it's just complete luck and randomness. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago, I repeated my study. This time, out of 12 picks, 9 of the stocks overlapped on both lists again. All the big names, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, but also Netflix and SoFi, and new entries like Palantir and ServiceNow. But 3 stocks are different. Let's look at the matchups. YouTubers play the Adobe card, viewers answer with Elf Beauty. YouTubers raise with Uber, again, commentors gamble with Micron. Finally, YouTubers go all in with Broadcom, and retail investors call in the most retail way possible, Celsius. And this is the exact moment where I should hold up a refreshing Celsius and get paid for advertising. Instead, their European expansion is going very slow, so I'm counting on your support. Please comment, leave a like, subscribe. What do you think, guys? Which team picked better stocks this time? To play it safe, I just bought a stock that is part of both lists, but if you want to know which one, you will have to see this next video about my current portfolio. Thank you for watching until the end. Peace out.